Hi everyone! Since we were talking about plants and planting this week, our science experiment is all about taking some plants and turning them into art. All you're going to need is green leaves, paper, markers or paint, and maybe a metal spoon. I gathered leaves from all different kinds of plants in my backyard. You can also use green leaves from your kitchen like spinach or arugula. Before we get into the science experiment, let's talk about why plants are green. Looking at our plant life cycle sheet, for the second part under sprout, it says, when the seed receives air, water, sunlight, and good temperatures, it germinates or grows roots and small leaves as a sprout. That means seeds and plants need many things to grow. One of them is sunlight. Plants have this chemical in them called chlorophyll, which allows the plants to use sunlight to grow, but it also turns the plants green. So we will be using the chlorophyll to paint. Now that we know why plants are green, we can get onto the experiment. Once I gathered all my materials, I first ripped up the leaves into a small ball that I can use to draw. Then I just began to rub it on paper. Now you can see how the chlorophyll gets green on the paper. Instead of just rubbing the leaves directly on the paper, what you can also do is put the leaves on the paper, fold it in half, and then rub it with a metal spoon, and you should get the same result. Once I got enough green on the paper, I took some markers and added some drawings. For this drawing, I added a tree trunk and a small hill of grass to make a tree. But that's it. It's so simple. Now that you know the steps, you can get really creative with it and make some cool drawings, signs, or even a fun card. Thanks so much for watching and have fun.